Keep it coming back. Watch the gate. Push them through. Let's go. Clear on the left.
Once inside the facility, each shipment is carefully unloaded and directed toward receiving departments for inspection and evaluation. Accurate weight measurements help operators manage livestock flow and maintain production records throughout the facility.
Temperature is stable.
Good weight distribution. Overall healthy.
Automated feeding systems help support large-scale livestock operations while maintaining consistent daily care procedures.
Keep an eye on that gray one near the gate. Okay, I see him. I'll update the record.
With cleaning complete, the process now moves into specialized material preparation departments, where the transformation of the hide begins.
There's a slight variance in the dye lot here.
Noted. We'll isolate this section for retreatment.
Before further treatment can begin, the hides are carefully prepared and cleaned to remove excess material and ensure consistent quality.
Watch the edges on that one, Sanjay. Yes, boss, right away.
With preparation complete, the hides move into large industrial washing systems, where deep cleaning and conditioning begin.
In this initial phase, the Grey Brahman hides undergo their first deep cleaning cycle, using conditioned water.
Get that end under the water, Balu. We need the next batch ready.
Deep washing systems help remove remaining impurities while preparing the hides for the next stages of transformation. After soaking and washing, the hides move into controlled drying systems where moisture levels are carefully reduced before further treatment begins.
The humidity is within parameters now.
All right, notify the next station.
Controlled drying helps stabilize the material before it enters specialized treatment systems designed to prepare it for leather production.
The hides are transported through controlled treatment stations designed to loosen the hair before removal.
Hair removal is one of the most important preparation stages, exposing the clean surface that will later become premium leather.
This section here shows excellent consistency in the grain.
Confirmed. The tensile strength readings are also optimal.
Here we introduce the thickness verification stage. The hides are scanned by advanced sensors to ensure perfect uniformity before chemical processing.
With hair removal complete, the material is ready to enter chemical treatment systems, where its structure begins transforming into durable leather.
The thickness is consistent, right at 2.2 millimeters.
Got it. Data logged. Check the tensile strength next.
The newly formed leather now moves into coloring departments, where its final appearance begins to take shape.
Keep an eye on the saturation levels. We want that uniform light brown finish across the batch.
Reading at the center is 4.2 logged.
Large leather sheets pass through conditioning systems, where texture, flexibility, and color stability are refined before finishing.
We have an irregularity on the texture map right here.
The caliper reading is stable, looks like we are within acceptable limits. Finishing operations enhance the texture, appearance, and durability of the leather before it enters manufacturing departments. With finishing complete, the premium leather is now ready for cutting and manufacturing, where luxury products begin to take shape.
Precision cutting transforms large leather sheets into the individual components required for luxury product manufacturing.
After cutting and stitching, the products move into final assembly departments, where they begin to resemble the finished luxury goods seen in stores. The stitching on this batch is flawless, and the hardware alignment is perfect. After final inspection, the finished handbags move to packaging departments, where they are prepared for shipment around the world.
Pallet 7B cleared for slot 4R.
Copy that. Moving now.
After packaging and storage, the finished products begin their journey through international distribution networks. From arrival to shipment, every stage of production contributes to transforming raw materials into premium luxury products.
Make sure the counts match the manifest before staging.
Confirmed. All units accounted for.
Distribution centers organize inventory and direct finished products toward retailers and customers around the world.
Okay, cross-check the manifest for Route 3. Make sure the flagship shipment is secured before sealing. These are the new chocolate browns. Look stunning on the pedestal. Let's make sure the clasps are pristine.
Thank you for joining us on this journey through the complete process of transforming Grey Brahman hides into premium luxury leather products.